So guys, this is the cicadas. They are everywhere. You can't really see them too great on my phone. But the entire, let me see if I can zoom out. I don't know if my phone's gonna let me. But the entire wooded area over here, all of this, if you look at it up close, pretty much every inch of it is covered with them like this. It's crazy. And I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but they're making a really loud noise. You might be able to hear it a little bit. I think that one's hissing. And stop now. But yeah, it's crazy how they're just covering everything. But they're only out for a few months they come out every 17 years. And you can see down here all of the shells. Oh, and another one's hissing. They're so funny. And they're really cool, but they're everywhere. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you guys how crazy they are on everything.